What's up, guys? Devin with Venture Hobby Passion. Back today doing another video. Starting it off in a car again. So maybe this is going to be another epic video like the Alaska video. If you haven't seen that, go down to my channel and check it out. It's freaking gnarly. But we're at Ultimate 4-Wheel 4x4 and accessories. My local off-road store, so they're gonna give me some get me some parts. So let's go ahead and go inside, see what we score today, and maybe talk about some stuff for the future. Probably won't film it all in there, but I'll come back out here and show you what I scored. All right, guys, so we didn't talk to them too much about parts because they were super busy. I did talk to them on what shocks I should get if I want to go better mid-travel, more performance-wise, and they said Kings or Foxes, doesn't really matter between the two. So yeah, but I did score some parts. I got some I got the front diff drop, and it's even got all the extra parts to drop your skid plate, which I don't know if I'm actually going to use, and even if I do use, how long I'm going to use it, because I'm looking at bumpers. I'm going to call him later some other time and see if they can get the bumpers in without extra freight, because if they can, I won't have to pay freight, and that's like $500, which is a winch. So yeah, well, we'll continue on this video, and we're actually going to go home and take the truck apart and get it all ready to go for lots of crazy parts. We'll say that after some more time lapses. But a little update for you. I got the axle out. This is the new differential. The old differential is still in the hole, unfortunately. I got both mounts off, so there's a mount there and a mount there. Those will get bolted onto here. So all I gotta do over here is to undo the selector, undo the drive shaft, and undo the last mount, and then I can bench press it out, which is gonna be the biggest pain in the butt. But Keith should be over in a bit, and I don't know if he'll probably be able to help me out. So I'm going to try to get the drive shaft out and undo the selector, and then hopefully after that we'll be good. So let's start cranking again. Oh, also, I haven't mentioned it yet, but clearly I'm working on Katie. I'm fixing four-wheel drive. So today is Saturday. We're focusing on the front end, trying to get the front end fixed, which is putting the new differential in, so I'll have lower gearing / have a good selector in it. We did bench test everything and made sure it was good, where this other one doesn't work. You seen that in the diagnostic video. I don't know when it was posted, but yeah. So, again, we'll get back to it. All right. Coming back out with you another update. The differential is no longer right here because she's in the truck. I can't really get a good angle, but she's in the truck. There's the old one. It's actually really, really dirty, but it also doesn't help that undercoat does not. It attracts stuff, and it just holds on dirt. gross. And, you know, old truck, it likes to seep. So, it's all torqued down, so now I need to hook up the selectors, the selector breather, and then the front drive shaft. And then after that, I'm going to put the CV axles back in. After I get the CV axles in, we'll go ahead and probably put these outside ones on, get it all done. Then we'll fill her up. After we fill her up, we're going to test out four-wheel drive. So we'll have to jack the rear end up, get those tires off the ground. And then after we do that, we will double check our diff fluid, see if it's all the way full after it spins around, because there's none in that at all. And yeah, and then that'll conclude this section of the video, this video. So let's get back to it, try to cranking it. I think it's like 4 o'clock on Saturday. So I've been at this for about 4.5 hours-ish, because I have had to take a break. It's not a bad deal, especially since it's for the most part been me. Keith came over for like 10 minutes to pull the diff out, and then I had the neighbor come over for like 5-10 minutes, put the diff in, and other than that, I've done pretty much everything else. So it's going pretty dang good for by myself. But thank you for everyone that's helped. I don't know if either of you will watch this video, but yeah. So we'll jump back to it again. Guys, it's raining. Go Utah, getting all the rain at the end of July. But actually the real reason I came back, so this is in the new differential and the connector's all broken. So I had to break this off, and the washer's good, where this one is all seized, so it may have leaked. But who knows? Probably not. So yeah, we're putting a clean one in and not the dirty one. And yes, I'm probably going to be flushing my differential, because that differential is the gear oil one that I got when I drained it wasn't crazy bad, but everything else in it, it's like, they're just gross. Where when I drained this one, it was clear. It was awesome, but I only had like 2,000 miles on this one. So yeah, let me go stick this part in and hook it up. Alright guys, so I didn't get the time lapse of the testing and getting four-wheel drive, showing that four-wheel drive works, but I got all 4 tires off the ground, and both front tires spun. Both, not just one. And it's an open diff. So, I mean, there was no pressure on it, and I got brand new bearings in it, so I think it's a good thing. Though I haven't done any testing, I literally backed out of the garage, put it right here for the week, because I'm going to work this week. This weekend, I am going to pull the truck back in and get that rear axle done. But that's going to be a whole separate video. It's going to be awesome. We're getting a locker. So, but yeah, very successful in this video. Got the whole front end disassembled, assembled, all in actually one day. So, I'm pretty proud of that, too. There's not a whole lot of time lapses, mostly because you can't see a lot. But, yeah, hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. But biggest thing on my channel, go out and go find your passions.